If you have one of these, you could get a lot of this simply by recycling.
This is the first contest we've had in Ohio for the oldest refrigerator.
FirstEnergy's Ohio Utilities has launched Ohio's oldest working refrigerator contest.
Customers who'd like to participate can visit EnergySaveOhio.com and make an appointment to have their old refrigerator picked up and recycled. And you'll get a $50 incentive just to do that.
You heard him right. You'll get $50 just for recycling your working icebox. The contest started on May 1st and runs through July 31st.
The contest is open to all residential customers of FirstEnergy's utilities, and there are some other utilities in Ohio that are participating in the contest as well.
Who knew that an old refrigerator could land you $1,250 in gift cards? Here's how it works. If you have the oldest refrigerator recycled from your utility service area, you will win $250 in gift cards. If your refrigerator is the oldest recycled refrigerator throughout the entire state of Ohio, you'll win a $1,000 gift card. Talk about free money, all for an old refrigerator.
That's the cool thing about this contest is somebody could walk away with it with a 1950s refrigerator, or someone may have a 1930s buried in their basement that still works.
A similar contest was held in Pennsylvania last fall, and the winning refrigerator was built in 1937.
It's a tough competition. It's anyone's game.
No matter what the age of your refrigerator is, you're an instant winner just by recycling. In Akron, PJ Ziegler, Fox 8 News.